Good day, viewers. Welcome to another mathematics lesson. So right here with me, I want us to look at this question 3 right here. This is a question that is coming from sets. The question reads, the diagram below shows how learners in grade 12 class at Twaenda School travel to school. The learners use either buses, cars, or walk to school. So this is the Venn diagram, which is consisting of 3 sets. Here we have walk, buses, cars. Okay. Question A1. If 22 learners walk to school, find the value of x. If 22 learners walk to school, find the value of x. So in this set of learners who walk to school, we have 4x, 3, 7. So if 22 of them, they walk to school, what is the value of x? So we know that the total number of learners who are in this set, they are 22. So when we add 4 plus x plus 3 plus 7 should give us a 22. So we are going to write, you say, question 1. So when we add x plus 4 plus 7 plus 3 should give us what? A 22. So where is this 22 coming from? Because they have told you that if 22 learners walk to school, so this is the set of learners who walk to school. So that's why we are equating to 22. So from here, let us just add these values. So we are going to write x plus. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4, we are going to get a 14 is equal to 22. So since we want to find the value of x, so this 14 will come this side. So we are going to have x equal to 22 minus 14. So here 14 was a positive. When it goes this side becomes a negative. Okay. So what is going to be our answer? We say x equal to. So just subtract 22 minus 14. What is the answer? Okay, so the answer is going to be what? 8. So we have answered our question A. The value of x in this case was 8. So when you put 8 here, you add 4 plus 8 plus 3 plus 7. Should have 22 learners walk to school. Let us now move on to question 2. So under question 2, how many learners use A, only one mode of transport? So how many learners use only one mode of transport? So we go back to our set again. So here we have the set of learners who use a bus, and those who use cars, and those who walk. So here, these elements that are on these spaces, they are showing that these learners are using either bus and what? Car for these two. These three showing that they were using car and they were also walking. 4, bus and walking. X representing learners who are using all the 3 modes of transport. So here where you have 14, this number 14 is showing that these learners were only using what? Buses. This 7 shows that they were only using what? Cars. This 7 again shows that they were only what? Walking. So the question is, how many learners use only one mode of transport? So only one mode. So those who are using one mode, it's 14, 7, again 7. So we are going to add. We'll say 14 plus 7 plus 7. So 14 plus 7 plus 7, we are going to get 28. So the number of learners who are only using one mode of transport was 28. Then we come to question B. How many learners use 2 different modes of transport? How many learners use 2 different modes of what? Transport. So for 2 different modes of transport, 2 different modes. Like I explained earlier on, I said that here we have got a 2. So this 2 is saying that these number of learners, they use 2 different modes of transport. They used cars and bus. These 3, they used cars and they were walking. 4, they used bus and they were also walking. Okay, so these are the elements that we are going to target, or these are the learners that we are going to target. So we have a 2 plus a 3 plus a 4. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 2 plus 3, you get a 5. 5 plus 4, you get a what? A 9. Okay. So the number of learners that we are using two different modes of transport was what? A 9. So we have answered this question. Thank you so much everyone for having time to view this content. Bye bye.